The diffusion of mobile devices in today's classroom. Mobile devices. We should diffuse mobile device use in the classroom because adoption is eventually inevitable in the classroom. Embracing this technology will enable more students today to enjoy the advantages. And mobile devices enhance educational experiences. All of these points will be explained throughout the video. So, the main advantages for aiding diffusion are: advantage number 1, relevance for today. Mobile devices make learning accessible to the 21st century learner, today's learner. And they support some much needed skills for the workplace like personal management, digital literacy, collaboration, creativity, and communication. All of these are named by employers as skills they look for people they want to hire. The next advantage, advantage number 2, effective assessment capabilities. Mobile devices in the classroom provide increased assessment capabilities. Students can provide feedback to each other. Teachers are able to provide more timely feedback, and the information they're able to gather with mobile devices in the classroom allows for them to revise their instruction based on real figures, plan for instruction, and implement their instruction more effectively. Advantage number 3, students become innovators with these innovations in their classrooms. Mobile devices and the myriad of capabilities they open up for individual learning allow for students themselves to be innovators. They have the tools to create. They have the tools to get the information they need. They have the tools to collaborate with each other. Advantage number 4, enhanced collaboration. Collaboration activities are enhanced with iTablets and other mobile devices. Now, there are some barriers to the adoption of these innovations in our classrooms today. There's investment of time, training, and materials. There's a necessary period of trial and error that needs to be considered. And there is an existing culture of resistance to these technologies. The main barrier, the early majority in education, is unfortunately the instructors. Students, on the other hand, tend to embrace technology. Most students today are comfortable using mobile devices for a variety of activities, such as information gathering, collaboration with peers, using mobile devices for creativity purposes, creating videos. Students know how to use the mobile devices and they're comfortable with them. So one of the reasons that students tend to embrace technology in education today are that household computer and internet use was reportedly up to about 75% in today's households. Computer and internet use at home has reached a critical mass. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, in the year 2011, internet use at home was up to around 72%, and computer use in the household was up to 75.6%, which is definitely a majority. Opportunities for learning with mobile devices in the classroom include curriculum-based learning through creative student team projects, for an example. There's increased opportunities for collaboration and information gathering in all subject areas, and teachers can customize their instruction and the learning process of students. So we see a variety of learning styles in the classroom today, and this innovation meets the need of all of these different types of learners. Champion for change, and you wish to support the diffusion of mobile devices in today's classroom, it will take some strategizing. Here's a resistance minimization strategy for leaders today. Connect to existing values and goals of existing administration and faculty. Plan for a period of trial and error to allow faculty members to develop a comfort level of use with this technology and for them to adopt the innovation in stages. There needs to be a time period given for teachers to develop a comfort with the technologies. A strategic plan for diffusion of mobile devices would also include ongoing professional development and trainings, information exchange, and instructor-monitored blogs, and a supported community of learners. Critical mass has been achieved in popular use outside of the classroom. Successful diffusion in classroom use occurs after popular use reaches a critical mass, according to researchers in this field. And based on the findings, this critical mass is, will be, or already has been attained for adoption of mobile devices in today's classroom. The current numbers indicate significant growth in adoption of these devices. 4.5 million iPads were reported as being used in United States schools, and that's not including iPhones. And rates of numbers. From 2008 to 2015, mobile device use in the classroom was up astronomically. It's predicted that in the year 2015, we will be at 5 million mobile devices being used in United States classrooms. They also are effective and reduce cost in the long run. Schools are choosing these handheld devices as a way to sustain students' interest, reward their achievements, and reportedly, in some cases, actually keep per student costs down. This is according to the Huffington Post. Mobile devices in the classroom support a social constructivist learning approach, allow for teachers to differentiate instruction effectively, and allow students to apply their learning in a real-life setting. Plus, they open up learning beyond the classroom walls. Mobile devices will most likely be adopted in our future classrooms, as pragmatists will perceive benefits. Mobile devices further the vision of innovation leader and educational technology champion Steve Jobs. His vision was for quality education to be accessible to all. Thank you, Steve Jobs, and welcome to the classroom, mobile devices.